Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a snaps to multiple friends. Now, if you want to easily and quickly send one photo or a video to all of your friends on Snapchat, there is a trick to do so. I will show you in this video. Open the Snapchat application and the easiest way is just take your quick photo here like this. Just take a quick photo or video. You don't have to share this, but it will help us set everything up. So now let's hit this send to button in the bottom right. And the key here is if every single time you want to send it to all of your friends, you just have to click on every single person. It takes a bit of time, but to be able to send them to all of your friends at once, we will create a shortcut. So tap that little plus icon above new story and then hit new shortcut. Now what we are going to do is basically go through that entire list of all of your friends on Snapchat. It might take a bit of time if you have a bunch of friends, but just go through this list and select everybody on that list, and we are going to choose emoji here. I'm just going to do this bird here and create shortcut. So let's say I have selected all of my friends on there. It takes a bit of upfront, but now anytime you want to send a snap to everyone at once, you just hit this bird icon or whatever emoji you choose and hit select. It will automatically select all, and at the bottom right you can just share that everybody at once, so that basically everybody will see that snap and be able to snap you back. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.